comes the rookie.
Hey, what's up, Neil? What do I need to change? All right. Trying to update my description with my actual schedule. Oh, hang on, I can update other things. What's up, Red? There we go. All right, let's get this stupid cat done. What are we doing? So I need to deal with, don't care about any of this stuff. What I need to do, I don't need to do any of this stuff. Hey, breakfast. I am just going to have the attack state, and I need to have a target position. Target position, vector 3. And I should set that to be our position. Or something. For now, right? Or, I don't think that actually matters. Hey, Sully. Okay, so this has a target position, it's got a chase. So I just say function set target position, and we can set it as target position. Okay, and then when we're in the chase state, process attack state, what I want to do is move, let's see, AI character. We're going to move to the point, our target position, and if we're within a certain attack range, I'll need export for our attack range equals 4 units. Hey Myers, and yeah, finishing the boss. Hey Wander, long time no see. I've been streaming like Monday, Fridays for the past couple weeks. So we just check if we're in range, then we do, or let's see, var in range, attack range equals, let's see, so we need to get the var our position, origin dot distance squared to the target position, and we just see if that is less than, oops, can't autocomplete that, there we go. See if our distance is less than the attack range, there. Okay, so in attack range, so if we are in attack range, we do one thing, otherwise we move towards, let's see, our facing target. Keep missing the streams. Last we saw was the Sandworm boss. Oh, that was a long time ago. Was that last year? How long ago was that? Jeez, this takes so long to make this game. Facing target equals the, where is my vision code? Where did I put that? Is that in the AI character? I don't think where did I put that? Is that in Aimer or something? Yeah, it's in Aimer. So what I need to do is just, I'll just copy this, who cares? Here. So that takes the position. Oh, I'll need to define that one. Is aiming at target position. Did I just hear a notification? I hate how, like, I'll get notifications on Discord, but it doesn't actually give me a pop-up to say where it came from. February, okay. Hey, Sully, seen some of the videos, love the street to the point. Thank you. A lot. Waste time for sure. Okay, so we have this aim area. We'll just say, whatever. What is the aim area? The aim area equals 4.0. And we just want it to be on the X, right? Yeah, that's, oh yeah, I don't care about the Y, I just want the X. Oh, and the Z. Local aim position equals to local. Then we get the absolute values less than our area, and we need to see that the Z is negative, I think. Pretty sure, yeah, because it should be in front would be negative, yeah. So we just do less than 0, yeah. Or less than equal, whatever. Okay, so if we're aiming, if it's aiming at us, then we're going to do attack. Otherwise, we're going to say don't move. Or so I'll just say bar R position. Oops. Transform.origin. You can pass in this. So we do move to point. Otherwise, we go in here and we say move to our own position, so stand still. And we need to be is facing target. Put that in there, and we say AI character mover dot face direction target position minus R position and passing delta. Right? Yeah, it gets the direction and the delta. Yeah, Quake Remaster. I never really played Quake before. I played a little of the remaster. That was pretty cool. I also got Doom 1 and 2 because they were super on sale, and played some of those, and it was really fun. I was like surprised how fun they were considering the age. It's like they've definitely aged very well. It's pretty cool. Yeah, kind of more looking forward to playing Doom 1 right now than Quake. Alright, if we're in attack range, and we are facing the target, stand still, animation player dot play, what is it? Pounce, I think. We have our it's gonna do that. I should probably directly adjust the move. Oh, this should be a loop. Oh, I forgot to set it to export as a looped animation. I should probably I'll just change the animation name. Quake 2 doesn't hold up. Well, I bought that too, so I'll try it out. I am curious to try out the ray traced visuals on it. I think that would be pretty cool. Oh, I need to select you. And I select you. And I get rid of you. And I select that. Export GTLF. Geometry, apply modifiers. Should be a default, I feel like. But okay. Okay, let's see. If I mean, I could probably just re-import this. But it's just such a chore. Alright, let's find where my 3D model is. Okay, is it gonna decide to import it properly this time? Nope. What a chore, what a chore. Okay, so I have to do this. There. Okay, that one's looping properly. So that worked. So what I need to do now is switch to idle. Switch this to idle as well. Hopefully nothing gets fucked up. Then I'll just move all the bone stuff. Oops. Drop it on you. There we are. I can delete that one and replace that. And then I gotta change this again. This. Let's see. Yeah, that. And then no grab point, mesh. There we go, mesh graphics. Alright, I think that's all set up. Ragdoll collidable with players on. Always active. No, it starts on. I don't know. There we go. Hey Adrian, how's it going? What am I working on? Another boss fight here. Definitely play Quake. Love to see it. Yeah, it's pretty fun. Played from what I played of it so far. I don't like the redundant weapons. That's something that annoys me. Like, what's the point of having two different nail guns if one's better than the other one? Like, and it's annoying because the weaker one has a way cooler visual design. So it's like, why? What's the point? Oh, I could have made that texture look better. Oh well. Expected release date? Well, I was hoping to do it by the end of summer, but that's probably not going to happen. But hopefully sometime in September I can release it. Did I create this without any reference? No, I used a lot of references. You can see previous streams where I was working on it. I referenced a lot of tiger pictures and stuff. Yeah, this OST is really good. It's really good. My favorites to listen to. It's so annoying how like the quality varies so much in Warhammer 40k games. It's just like some of them are amazing and some of them are terrible. What was I just doing now? I think I got everything working here. Just got courses, really enjoying them. Oh, thanks, Piano. Okay, so I've got my references to everything. So I have the pounce animation here. And I think I just want to do, I'm going to directly set, let's see, what is this? Move to point. Right now it's just, right now it's not using pathfinding. So that's not a problem. Oh, what if I could set it to var use pathfinding, it's false. And then, because, yeah. Oops, if we are using pathfinding. Otherwise, we're not, then we do this. I think. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So I can just have that checked. I don't think I ever use that, so I'm not gonna bother. Okay. Update that comment, and then I can set you to, where's my export? What is this? Reached position. Oh, I can find that out here. Direction isn't defined. Oh, right. Okay, we need to define that out here. There. now it should. Yes, I can do use pathfinding. There we go. Okay, so we just say actually we're gonna use target position. Play pounce, otherwise we'll play run loop. So I'll just leave that and see how that looks. And of course we need to rig this up with the pointer. Anyone can buy the license to make them? Wait, really? How to buy Warhammer 40K game license. How much would it cost? If you have to ask. 3 downvotes, no one's even in. Uh-huh. Okay. These are all super old posts. Huh. I already made the arena for the fight. Nah, it's gonna be probably out of pre-existing assets. Yeah, Godot uses a Python like. Yeah. Well, I don't see anything. It doesn't say how much it costs. Wait, what was that? They have such great visual designs. Like, it's so cool. What are those things? Are those mechs? Oh no, those are towers. Okay. Kind of look like faces up there. Interesting. All right. Anyways, let's get back to work. Hey, Onyx. Okay, so we're gonna play the run loop. Yeah. Okay, so now we need to get to test boss. No. Oh, isn't it under my test scenes? I have a test. Tiger boss test. There we are. Okay, so I need to test here. Here we are. So this is going to take that. This will get a reference to it. No, wait, I need this. Reference. I'll just call it that. You know what? We'll just say this equals this. And then I can add it to the group. We'll just be lazy with our programming because I can't be bothered. There we go. Then I go to here, and then I go to here, and every frame I can be like, where is it? We get the point that, yeah, this is colliding with. So we do, raycast dot is colliding. We get the raycast point. We say tiger dot set target position. That's the method I made, right? All right, and that should be it. Call function play on a null instance. What? what's the path? Graphics. Oh, it's called Tiger Boss. Oops, wrong scene. Okay, so there's the laser, and it should be sending a position to that, which is not. Is my view clipping? Oh, my view is clipping. That's it. Oh, I can just move through it, I guess. Oh, I never set up its character collider, that's why. Collision shape. Yeah, that's a problem. Make that unique. How do I want to shape? Should I just use a cube or should I use 2 capsules? I mean, for a collision shape. Oh, it's gotta touch the ground, that's for sure. Maybe I should. No, you can't use cubes for characters. You have to use a capsule shape. I think that's the best I can do. Hopefully that doesn't screw it up too much. Alright, and then it was not, where is it? You're setting the target position, and then you're moving towards it. Point and range. Let's see which ones. Pursuing. Oh, right, because it's not in the attack state, that's why. So we're just going to start in set state attack. That would make sense. Okay, so it's facing the wrong way. I need to flip the graphics. There are all these terrible print statements. Terrible lag. Is that just the print? Here it is. Graphics. Or do you need to get rotated the other way? And then I feel like I need to change my movement speed also. Maybe. Let's see. Okay, so it's coming towards me. Why is it so laggy? Where's the performance cost coming from? Okay, so the laser's coming after me. I feel like the laser needs to move slower. First off, why is that so laggy? Is it the pathfinding? Really, why is pathfinding so shit? It's like just taking up so much performance when it's like not even doing much. So let's see. I must have messed up the multi-threading. Yeah, I've definitely messed up the multi-threading. I should work on that. So, okay, so I have this laser. So the point is that you have to outrun the laser because the tiger's chasing the laser, not you. Also, I move way too slow right now. Okay. It's the fast beast. Yeah, okay, so I'll have to adjust this, but this is mostly what I want. You know, I don't really even need a pounce animation. Like, this is kind of, I feel like I just need it to hit you and call a knockback or something. Hey Tamer, so if you'd want to say love videos, be informative. Oh, glad you like it. I didn't know non-coders actually liked my stuff. I feel like I make it too, I don't know, don't know if I make it unapproachable, but I always, there's like so many times I'll see people do stuff that's like designed for non-game developers, and I'll be like, that's not interesting. Why would anyone make something like that? And then it gets like millions of views from people who aren't programmers. And I'm like, oh, I guess this is interesting if you haven't been doing this for 10 years. You kind of like lose a lot of perspective on what's interesting. Yep, laser guided tigers. I use the implemented one, but it's, I put it on a separate thread because it was like giving me tons of performance problems, but now it's giving me performance problems again, and I think because it's multi-threaded. So I'm gonna try rewriting it. So the way it works is that it just calls this request path in here, which puts it on a queue, and then this, like, yeah, and there's some stuff related to mutex. So somebody commented, I gotta find this. Somebody commented with a post on how to do multi-threaded stuff like this for pathfinding. I need to find it. I have it on my phone somewhere. No, I don't want that. Where? Here it is. Okay. Blog docs. There we are. It's the nav mesh. It's not A-star. It's the default nav mesh. Yeah, does an enemy gradually simple 2D pathfinding algorithm. Yes. Yeah, that's a good picture. Okay. So, what is this? What is this? Example, on the Godot engine user forum, post a code sample of how one may move to one thread. Yup. Spatial sync, async pathfinder. Called the first. Wait, you can use signals to send stuff. You don't have to put it in a queue. Oh, interesting. I never would have thought of that. Am I still making Biopunk devlogs? As soon as I'm done with all the, let's see, what do I need to do? This boss fight, and then like, I don't know, maybe like 6 or 7 quests for the area I've been working on, which, if you haven't seen, it's this. I can show you real quick. This is the current area I'm working on. The Oasis. Still alive, but it died. There we go, now it's dead. Oh right, I forgot I'm still using, I need to switch to the new version of Godot that just released, so I don't get that pathfinding bug. Okay, yeah. But yeah, this is the new area I've been working on. Brightest sky. Yeah, mostly I needed to, it wasn't actually the skybox that was the problem, it was the shadows were too dark, and also a lot of the textures were too dark. Like the trees, I switched them with like this much lighter tree bark texture, And then, yeah, just lowering the darkness of the shadows helped a lot, so you can actually see everything. And, of course, a brighter rock texture as well, and putting more rock chunks around. Anyways, yeah, this is the new area. I'm excited once I can finally put the city together, because I really like the idea of like bamboo structures. With plant lamps. This is tribe style sighting. I still need to add some sound effects for it, but yeah, you can slide down any hill. Hang on. Yep. But I haven't made so you can slide backwards. Yeah, it's pretty fun to play with. You can only go straight forward, but it adds a lot to the movement, since you can like get a run up and stuff. I feel like, why is this specular? It seems like there's some specular lighting on this still, even though I thought I turned that off. Also, changing the fog to be dark helped a lot. Like, you can see how things get darker with distance. Before they were getting brighter, which was like totally the wrong thing to do. It actually makes everything look brighter when you have the background be dark, or have the dark fog, interestingly. Oh, need to lower that. Alright, lower that rock. And you can also see this area. Let's see, how do things look now? I haven't actually tested this part out.